All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this Aiper Scuba S1. I'm going to unbox this, run this in my above ground pool. I'm going to give you some underwater footage, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, some of the specs, and then we will clean out the filter in the end and see how much junk it picks up out of my pool. We will see what it looks like when it's climbing the walls of my pool. And later on, maybe in a week or two, I am also going to run this in an in-ground pool. So let's unbox this. I did unbox this the other day because I didn't want to go through the entire charging it up cycle for you. But crazy thing is, this is the first pool robot that I ever got that I think it came fully charged. Normally that doesn't happen. I normally have to charge it up for a good hour and a half to get the battery fully charged, but this one here was fully charged. Yeah, so you just have this nice little cardboard on top, and then we have tips for using your Aiper pool cleaner. Aiper. That's what I'm calling it. I don't know. And then your manual comes in this fancy little envelope, like I'm opening a love letter or something. So there's your manual. I might have to read a little bit of this, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. And then in this box comes your plug to charge it and your little hook, so you can get it out of your pool without getting in. Fancy little hook. That, we don't need this. And I like it when they send stuff that's in cardboard. Stupid, but I like cardboard. It's easier to recycle. I don't have a big thing of styrofoam. And it does say on the top, just in case you do not read it, it says all devices are tested underwater before leaving the factory. To ensure proper operation, it is normal for there to be some water droplets on the package. So don't think you got it and it's just used. Oops, I'm opening it up. Where's the handle? There's the handle. Okay. And I will plug it in at the end and show you what it looks like when it is charging. Because I do recommend when you get it, make sure it's fully charged before you put it in your pool. I think that just helps these batteries last a long time. Let's take this. Oh, just look how pretty that thing is. Let me show you. We'll take this clear cover off. Look how shiny it is. So shiny. There we go. So we got a handle. We got the power button. Oh, that opens up nice. This is definitely different. And oh, and wow, the basket. You cannot goof up this basket. It's so easy to, I do like that. That basket goes in really simple. And it's huge. It's a very big basket. Pretty nice fine mesh. And you open it up and then you would dump it out. I don't know. I've had other baskets that were a little easier to clean out, but that'll work. It'll just dump out. You spray the sides. We'll see in the end. It shuts really nice. Okay, I like it. So then you got your handle right here. You got your tracks right and left. I got to take this clear stuff off too. Tracks. Don't forget to take this off. I don't think you want this stuff in your pool. There we go. Whoo, that's so shiny. Scuba S1. That's what I'm calling it because I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Man, she's pretty. Okay, so we got two tracks. And then the front here, this is the charging port right here. Seems like a really neat sealed charging port. It kind of seals up where the plug is and around it again. So it's like, almost seems like a double protection. I like that. That's neat. Simple. And then there's the bottom, like that. And this first time my scrubbers were ever like, had like this V pattern. I don't know how much that helps, but maybe it helps. There's where it's gonna suck all the dirt. And then it's got these things to trap them. So I think that gives it better suction. All right, I'm gonna hold the power button for 2 seconds and then you will see 2 seconds, and you're going to see different little symbols come up here. If it's in, it'll have an auto mode, a floor cleaning mode, a wall cleaning mode, and an eco mode. I'll try to talk to you maybe a little bit more about that while it's cleaning. So I think I'm going to put it on auto. So that is auto. See that little symbol? And we push it again, that's floor. And that's just walls. And that's eco. So we're going to put it on auto. Now I'm going to drop it in the pool. Here she goes, down she goes. Oh, really looks big under there. Takes a little bit till it starts up. Oh, I see water shooting out. There she goes. Oh, it's gonna start climbing right away. Right by my steps. I have to say, it kind of looks like it's only doing my walls first. So I don't know when it's going to start my floor, but right now it's doing the walls. Definitely looks like it's starting to do a good job of just slowly working its way around the top. We'll see if it does like a clockwise pattern all the way around my pool. I don't normally even clean my walls. I just walk around and with a brush and brush that off real quick, and then good enough. And while your pool is cleaning itself, this is what I recommend doing. Sit back, relax, and have a cold iced tea. Because it's definitely a lot easier than sitting out here with your pole, with your vacuum hooked to the end and the hose that you hooked up to your skimmer for 2 hours trying to vacuum your pool. I 200% recommend a pool robot. This one seems like it's definitely going to do a great job, definitely in my above ground pool. It's going around and it's hitting, looks like it's getting some of the spots it missed right now, which is good. All right, it's finally done. So let me pull it out of the pool and we will clean that filter basket out and see how much junk I got in there. And I have to say, I think it did really a pretty decent job. I got it, like I said, it went around the edges probably 3 times and then it just kind of kept going back and forth. But let me see, I think the only spot maybe, let me do this without falling in the pool. Oh, yep, see? Only spot it missed, at least for the edge, was right here next to my steps. It did miss right there, all the way over there to where my water comes out. Yeah, it missed that one little spot because it kind of kept getting goofed up around my steps a little bit, and I think it, I don't know, it messed the pool robot up, and then it would start back further. But I think it works really good here on this above ground pool. Give me a week or two and I'm going to try this in an in-ground pool. So let me get this out and we'll clean that filter basket out. This is one thing sucks. Sometimes it wants to stop all the way across my pool. Hopefully I can reach it. Which side's the handle on is the question though, I forget. Oh, whoa, pulled the whole basket out. Whoops. I just opened the lid. That wasn't good. Got it. Somehow I opened the lid when I'm grabbing for it. I should do this and not be lazy, and I should have walked over there. But sometimes you're just lazy. All right, we got her. And I kind of forgot how the handle was. Oh, no. No, stay in there. I got it. Here's the filter basket. All right, lesson learned. Be very careful when grabbing that thing down under there. Because like I said, I accidentally opened the top up and the basket came out. But let's see how bad this is. I like to use the flat setting on my hose. All right, let me open this up. Oh yeah. Look at all that junk down in there. Can you see that? That's gross. It's like, it's really built up in there, look. Let me dump it out. This is how I clean my baskets. I just spray from the outside. Just like that. I've definitely seen easier baskets to clean. Still 100 times easier to clean this than to sit there and clean your pool by hand. I like when there's a handle. I like when you can hold the handle on top. A lot of these you can hold a handle on top and just open the bottom. I don't really like how this one is, but all right, next thing I like to do normally is I like to just spray these off a little. I don't think it hurts to try to spray some of that chlorine off. All right, then I like to, you can either wait till it's completely dried off, but I like to, because I think I'll forget, just dry off around where you plug it in and charge it up. Just dry off around there. And then I like to plug it in, that way I won't forget. Plug it in. There we go. Now it is charging. And that's what it should do when it's charging. That light should be kind of going on and off, kind of blinks on and off. There it goes. Now the red turned to green and it's just blinking on and off. So now when that light is solid, that means the battery is fully charged. All right, well that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions on this. I will have a link to this down in my description and in my first comment. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and have a great summer swimming.